Hello everyone, this is Melvin from Pintos Automotive Diagnostics Pro. Today we have this 2015 is a Mazda 3. As you can see, I like this candid dash. I like how nice it look. I like it. I like the cluster of this Mazda 3, but we have a misfire on this Mazda. So if there is a misfire and we don't know exactly what's going on with this, there is a couple tests to do before replace parts, because the parts can be a little bit expensive, it would take a long time to do the job. Maybe it's a fuel injector, initial coil, spark plug, compression also. So we have to do a study the case, and see why this car has a misfire. So let me crank the engine, connect the scanner, and see what can we get. Okay, I feel a shaking movement. It's like a Subaru. You know how the Subaru do? Something like that. So I feel, some misfiring and doesn't have power. So I wanna know why do we have this misfire. And sometimes when I drive on the hills, the check engine light start blinking, flashing. That means for sure there is a misfire. Let me connect the scanner and see if we can figure out what's going on with this one. Alright, my scanner here. Zurich VR13S. A little bit older, but we'll see if it can help us to figure out what's going on here. You see, the check engine light is on, but sometimes when I push the accelerator, it start flashing. Most on the hills. Now it's firm. I'm pretty sure there is a call. Not for now, but sometimes start blinking. So let me see. Oh, there is. Then say 4 code stored P0302. So me fire on the cylinder number 2. What else? Oh, P0302. Yes. Also the P0300. And again, the pending code P0302. So that means we have a misfire on the cylinder number 2. But what we have to do to know which is causing this misfire on this Mazda? So let me open the hood. You need an 8mm socket. Pull off this cover. And the scanner says we have a cylinder number 2 misfire. So it is the front the engine is in number 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one right here. Alright, so let me turn off this engine. How can I know what is causing me the misfire? I don't know if it's the spark plug, ignition coil, or fuel injector on the cylinder number 2. So what I do, I put a mark, right, on the coil from the cylinder number 2. I remove this 8mm bolt, right, and I want to switch this one with the cylinder number 3, for example, number 4, sorry. Disconnect the plug. So this is the coil from the cylinder number 4. Okay, let me remove this ignition coil, no oil, good. The 4, no oil. I put it right here and switch the one to the number 4. I'll connect my coils, right. Connect this other one right here. So the misfire was in the cylinder number 2, and now I switch the ignition coil from the 2 to the 4 cylinder. So, and the coil from the cylinder 4 is the cylinder 2. Okay, let me crank the engine. Alright, so now let me clear the code, because the code, that means cylinder number 2. Let me clear the code. If I have the code on the same cylinder number 2, that means there is a problem with the fuel injector or with the compression. It can be valves, piston rings, anything else. Also the spark plug, before anything else, I have to do the spark plug replacement also. So save code, no one, right? Permanent, this is permanent, but now it's only, they don't have a saved code. So now I have to drive the car and wait until the check engine light coming on again. But now with this scanner I can do another test. Let me go here, Mazda OEM. Alright, it's 2015, remember. Alright, 2016, okay, the same thing. It was made in October 2015, so it's 2016. So yes, right? Yes, Mazda OEM. Alright, continuous memory data through calls. Key on, engine off. Key on, engine off. Test. So with the engine off, just key on, or key on, engine running. I wanna do this test. Okay, let me do this test. Okay, perform all safety steps required. Engine must be at operating temperature and running to begin this test. Press enter to continue. Turn the steering wheel to the left. Press and release the brake pedal and cycle overdrive switch. This one doesn't have overdrive, so we'll see if we can get something. It's doing a test. Now it's low the RPMs. Okay, you see here P0304, one call, key on, engine running test, cylinder 4 misfire detected. Oh, that's good, right? Yes. So that means we have a misfire on the cylinder now on the cylinder number 4, and before was on the cylinder number 2, and I switched the ignition coils. So the problem with this car is only the ignition coils. But you have, a good time with not replacing the spark plug. It's good time to replace spark plug. Replace 4 spark plug and also the ignition coil. You can replace 4 ignition coil also, but will be over $100 for each one. It depends on you. Please try to get a good brand, no aftermarket brand, except Denso can be, or I don't know what else. Prefer you can get it from the dealer, so it's your choice, but at least you have to replace 1 ignition coil, but good brand ignition coils, and the 4 spark plug. Alright, so this is the way to diagnose this problem. Alright, thank you for watching Automotive Diagnostic Pro Plus, your channel here. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.